Delicious homemade lamb kebabs and mint lemonade, Iftar and Ramadan special for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade lamb kebabs and refreshing mint lemonade. Perfect for iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is designed for everyone. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, Lamb Kebabs. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients. For our lamb kebabs, you will need 1 kilogram of boneless lamb, cut into small cubes, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, adjust according to your spice preference, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, skewers for grilling. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1, marinating the lamb. In a large mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, and vegetable oil. Mix everything well to form a smooth marinade. Step 2, adding the lamb. Now, add the cubed lamb to the marinade, making sure each piece is coated evenly. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to infuse into the meat, resulting in tender and flavorful kebabs. Step 3, skewering the lamb. After marinating, take the lamb out of the fridge. Thread the marinated lamb pieces onto skewers, ensuring a little space between each piece. This allows for even cooking. Step 4, grilling the kebabs. Preheat your grill or grill pan on medium-high heat. Brush it with a bit of oil to prevent sticking. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until the lamb is cooked to your desired level of doneness. And there you have it, delicious homemade lamb kebabs. But wait, our iftar spread is not complete without a refreshing drink. Let's move on to the mint lemonade. Segment 2, Mint Lemonade. For the mint lemonade, you'll need 4 to 5 fresh lemons, juiced. Half cup of sugar, adjust according to your sweetness preference. 1 bunch of fresh mint leaves. 1 liter of cold water. Ice cubes for serving. Step 1, making the mint infusion. Start by making a mint infusion. In a small saucepan, heat a cup of water and add the mint leaves. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the water is infused with the mint flavor. Strain the leaves and set the infused water aside to cool. Step 2, preparing the lemonade base. In a pitcher, combine the freshly squeezed lemon juice and sugar. Mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Step 3, mixing it up. Add the mint-infused water to the lemonade base. Stir well to combine. Now, add the remaining cold water and mix again. Step 4, serving. Fill your glasses with ice cubes and pour the refreshing mint lemonade over the ice. Bismillah. Now, our iftar feast is complete with these homemade lamb kebabs and mint lemonade. Remember, you can customize these recipes based on your preferences. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices to make it your own. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoy making and savoring these delicious dishes with your loved ones during Ramadan. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more exciting recipes. Ramadan Mubarak to you all. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much lamb kebabs and mint lemonade lovers.